S2 Snow Leopard unboxing video showcase. Open the packaging. This is the instruction manual. This is the activation card. This is the warranty card. This is the main unit. This is the hard microphone. This is the soft microphone. This is a Type-C charging cable. This is a clip. During installation, align the main unit's Type-C port with the clip's port. This is a rubber band. The S2 Snow Leopard comes in two colors. This is Ice Flame Orange. This is Silver Gray.
EJEAS, ride the wind and chase the dream with safety as the guard.